Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'll teach you guys one of the most underrated footwork in b-boying, which is the 7 steps. I'm going to show you guys some few variations that you can play and do with it. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, so whenever there's a new video from my channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Great. So like always, without any further ado, let's start with the first variations. Okay, so before you start, make sure you are able to do the 7 steps. Okay, this is how the 7 step looks like. I'm just gonna briefly show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is a basic 7 step. Make sure you are able to do this. If you don't know how to do it, click the link up here. It will take you and show you guys how to do it. So first version that we're about to do is we're gonna add in a CC in between the 7 steps. Okay, this is one of the most basic variations that you can do. Pretty simple. So again, start from the push-up positions. 1, 2. Okay, now from here, your left leg gonna go through here, keep it straight, and do a CC. Alright, and then pull back your left leg, continue with the normal steps. Back to the push-up positions again. First step, second step, kick or CC, back. Now let's do this from the top again. Here we go. 1, 2, CC, CC, CC. So that's the first variations. Moving on for the second variations. Again, please take note that all the move or the variations that we're gonna do today are starting from second step onward, or starting from the third steps. That's where you add in those variations. Okay. Now the second variations, same thing. Same steps. All right. From here, I'm about to turn to my left side. I'm gonna hook my leg. Okay, watch closely. I'm gonna turn, and my left leg is gonna hook onto my right leg. Alright? After the turn, continue. Do it repeatedly again. Turn, continue. That is the second variations. Now the last variation is more on the hand placement. We're gonna use our hand to grab our head. Okay, this is a lot of move that you see when doing top rock. When you do power, you also can see that some people use their hand to put it on the head to look cooler, or adding more some style onto it. Not gonna apply the same method. When we do the 7 step, I'm gonna add in and adjust my head grip. All right. So this is how we're gonna do. Yeah, same thing. Now here's the different part with the other variation. All right. When you do the second step, this is where you start the move. So this is where I'm doing my head, turn, get the other head in my other hand, continue. All right. Again, second step. Again, when I step onto the second step, this is where I start to grab my head. So let's add it all together and see how it looks when you're doing it in a normal speed. Step, grab, grab, step, grab, step, grab, step, grab. That's it for the tutorial. I just showed you guys 3 variations that you can do with your 7 step. There are plenty more. Alright, if you want to see more, let me know in the comment section below. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will try my best to deliver it to you guys. That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one.